Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to burn wood without having to use a hot iron or traditional wood burning tools. It is amazing because you can use other tools to make your projects look amazing that are not generally used for wood burning. And not only that, it's something that I never even knew existed, and once I tried it, I loved it, and now I'm going to show you how to use this on other projects. But right now I'm going to show you the technique, and then linked below I will have the link for other videos where I will be using this technique on other crafting projects. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video. Thank you. So let's get started. So for this project, the main ingredient is ammonium chloride, and you're also going to need a little empty tube marker. The rest of the items I'm sure you probably have at home if you're a crafter. So I will have the list in the info box below. So let's get started. So you need 1 tablespoon of ammonium chloride to half a cup of water. Mix it like so. And for the first demonstration, all you need is to fill up your little empty tube for the marker. It's really simple to do. You just fill it up, close it up, and then I'm gonna just draw something super simple, but you can actually get wild and become a total artist and design or draw whatever is it that you like. And for the second part, you will need a little, I just used a regular dish sponge. I wetted it a little bit with the solution, and I stamped it on the wood block. Okay, so now we're gonna let them dry. I speeded up the video so that you don't get bored watching this dry. But once it's dry enough, this one needed a little bit more, but I wasn't getting all antsy. I wanted to show you the magic. So let's just apply some heat to the little stamp imprint that we left on the wood block, and as you can see a little bit of burning going on already, and this is where the magic happens. I just love this part because it's like unwrapping a Christmas present. I don't know, I just get all excited when I see this. The ammonium chloride is having a reaction to the heat, and then the longer you concentrate the heat on the particular area, the darker the burning will be. So this is just, to me, amazing. So look at this and just enjoy it. Just be very careful. Obviously you know that the heat gun is extremely hot, so whenever you're done with these projects, just be careful when you go to touch the wood because it is super hot. For the second demonstration, or the second wood block, you can see it burns a lot faster. I believe it's because the design's simpler and because there's more concoction in the little lines, but it's basically the same thing, and there you have it. For this demonstration, I just wanted to show you how the chemical reacts to different types of wood. This wood is not sanded down. It is a little darker, and I think it's mesquite, so that's why it burns a little deeper in color, and it absorbs more chemical, or the chemical spreads out a little more, so it's not as detailed as the other demonstration. Also, if you don't put enough chemical, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get a reaction that's not as deep or as detailed because obviously you need more chemical for the heat to actually burn more detail into the wood. But I would play around with it. You can still see that it's a flower, so that's a good thing. Also, you can use stamps that have wording. And this particular type of wood, you can see that it's kind of hard to read the words when they're smaller. But I'm sure if you try it with a wood that's lighter and sand it down, I'm sure you can get more detail out of the words. This one, I used a lot of chemicals, so I overdid it. So you can see it spread it out a little bit. So the stamp is not as detailed as it should be. And this is a piece of Luan. I just love this technique. So I'm just like burning everything, right? But this Luan is sanded down. It is lighter in character. And what I like about the lighter woods is that you can play around with the color. So in the beginning you get this nice amber color, and then deeper is you concentrate the heat, so you can play around with it and get just amazing detail out of your stamps if you concentrate the heat in certain parts, or not concentrate it enough so where you just get a light burning. So I just love it. It's just like magic. Let me know what you are going to use this technique with. What is it that you don't like about it? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, tag me, and let me know what you would do with it. But look at this is the same stamp, and every skeleton has a little bit of character, especially these two. They're like staring at each other, even though it's the same stamp. I just love it because it looks like they're like looking at each other for eternity here. But anyway, let me know.